Now, I've had a request about this particular question because people have been finding it a little bit tricky. So I thought I'd do a little video just to show you how to do it. So you're adding together these fractions, but at the moment you can't add them together because they've all got completely different denominators. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure they've all got exactly the same denominator. And when you've done that, you can add them together a little bit more easily. So first thing you need to do is think 6 and 4 and 9 times table, and think about those 4 times table. Now, like 3 times tables. Now I've written them out just to make things a little bit quicker. When you have a look at these times tables, you're trying to look for a number that appears in all 3 of those times tables. So when you look down, you should be able to spot that 36 is in all 3 of those times tables. So if we made them all out of 36, it'll be easier to add them together. So now we've changed the denominators, we also now need to change the numerators. So let's have a look at that very first one. So what have we done to 6 to make it into 36? We've times it by, that's right, 6. So the rule goes, whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. So we've times the denominator by 6, we must also times the numerator by 6. So 1 times 6 is 6, okay? So you've got 6, 36. Let's move on to the second one. Now we have to look at the 4. What do we do to 4 to make it 36? So it's 4 times 9, that's right. So 4 times 9 makes 36. Remember the rule, whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top. So 1 times 9 makes 9. And let's move on to the third one. So the third one, let's have a look at the 9. What do you have to do to 9 to make 36? You times it by 4, that's right. So again, we do whatever we do to our bottom, we must do to the top. So 1 times 4 is 4. Now they're all out of 36, they're easy to add together. So the denominator is going to be 36, and all you have to do is add 6, add 9, add 4. Well, I always look for the numbers that make 10 first. So 6 add 4 is 10, add 9 is 19. So the answer is 1936. And you can't cancel that down to anything simpler than that, so that is your answer. I hope that helps.